Product optimization with AI in manufacturing has gained massive traction over the past few years and projected to rise in the coming years. The increasing need for automating operations, optimizing asset utilization, and minimizing downtime are significant factors that propel the demand for AI in the manufacturing sector. Leading companies in the manufacturing industry have already started leveraging artificial intelligence tools and applications to optimize production and enhance operational efficiency. However, others are still struggling to maximize the effectiveness of their production line. This is where Onpassive steps in with its best-in-class AI tools and applications. Our AI tools allow organizations across all the sectors to reduce dependence on manual inspection, identify performance bottlenecks, and prevent quality degradation in products. In this video, we have outlined different ways AI will optimize the efficiency of the production line in the manufacturing sector. Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is gradually making its way into the manufacturing sector owing to the proliferation of data, growth of connectivity, and advancements in manufacturing innovations. Industry 4.0 helps manufacturing firms extend their digital reach and increase productivity and performance, bringing down the overall production costs. Manufacturing firms also employ Industry 4.0 to reduce risks, optimize overall operations, and generate new revenue streams. Industry 4.0 aims at enhancing production activities and ensuring product optimization with AI in the manufacturing industry. Other benefits of leveraging Industry 4.0 are: drives transparency and agility across the manufacturing sector, creates a responsive supply chain, enabling manufacturing firms to cater to customers' requirements efficiently, facilitates the creation of customized solutions and allows product optimization with AI, minimizes operational costs and maximizes manufacturing firms' overall revenues, improves workforce productivity, reduces training costs, and lowers employee attrition rate. Predictive maintenance. AI has a significant role in the predictive maintenance of machinery and equipment in the manufacturing sector. Constant equipment breakdown could prove to be a costly affair for manufacturing firms, in terms of repairs and productivity loss. For instance, a single hour of downtime could cause global manufacturing firms thousands of dollars in loss. By leveraging predictive maintenance, manufacturing firms can determine the optimal timing of replacing worn components in the machines to prevent quality degradation in products. Predictive maintenance helps manufacturing firms ensure the proper functioning of all their equipment and predict equipment errors. By predicting machinery and equipment errors, manufacturing firms can save their valuable time, money, and resources. Other benefits of predictive maintenance in the manufacturing sector are: reduces equipment and machinery maintenance costs, reduces unexpected failures, reduces machinery repair and overhaul time, optimizes equipment lifetime and employee productivity, minimizes unplanned downtime and increases revenues. Product optimization. Product optimization with AI helps manufacturing firms optimize parameters that control production and maximize efficiency. By leveraging AI tools and applications, manufacturing firms can minimize costs, maximize flexibility, adapt to rapid technological shifts. By using AI tools and applications, manufacturing firms can gather comprehensive data and proactively manage production challenges. AI enables manufacturing industry leaders to make strategic business decisions, improve asset performance, and predict equipment failures. Supply chain management. Recent studies show that with AI, marketing segments of manufacturing firms will witness around 20% forecast error reduction. Besides, AI in the manufacturing supply chain market projected to rise as firms focus on streamlining supply, demand, and inventory management. Furthermore, AI helps supply chain leaders in the manufacturing industry to analyze complete data and predict future trends, manage the flow of products throughout the supply chain, ensure timely delivery of products, efficiently forecast future product demand by analyzing past demand patterns, synchronize supply and demand planning, optimize warehouse management and logistics operations, reduce inventory and storage costs, optimize warehouse picking routes for humans, identify delays in the supply chain, optimize the distribution of products, lower prices in the manufacturing industry, Enable rapid delivery of products. Workforce safety. Manufacturing plants are always prone to accidents and mishaps that could cause threats to labor and property. Most of these accidents are unexpected. These accidents might be difficult for labor to predict or be prepared for. AI in manufacturing promises to overcome such roadblocks in the long run. By employing AI tools and applications in the manufacturing plant, manufacturing industry leaders can minimize the human effort to carry out dangerous and overly laborious work. This eventually will reduce accidents and ensures workforce safety. Conclusion: AI expected to change the way manufacturing firms operate over the coming years. As such, it's high time for you to start leveraging AI tools and technologies to enhance manufacturing operations and succeed in the long run. Get in touch with us to learn more about the benefits of leveraging our AI tools. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment, hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos. Onpassive Bill Must.